Welcome students. Our today's topic is interest on drawings. There are various methods of calculating interest on drawing, and our first method is simple method. Formula of calculating interest on drawing by this method is amount of drawings into rate upon 100 into months upon 12. So एक illustration के थ्रू मैं आपको इसे समझाने की कोशिश करता हूँ. Suppose there is one partner और these are his withdrawals during the year. Suppose उसने May 1 में 20,000 rupees withdraw किया, तो we are going to calculate his interest on drawing on this amount. Let's see how it will be calculated. First of all, we will calculate total time period left after May 1. You see, they are closing their books on 31st March 2018, and we have to calculate interest on drawings with the help of this rate of interest, that is 9%. So his first withdrawal is on May 1, rupees 20,000. So total time period left will be 11 months, May 1 to 31st March. Okay. Now second withdrawal is on July 31. From July 31 to March 31, his total time period left will be 8 months, July 31 to March 31. Then third withdrawal is on September 30. September 30 to March 31, total time period will be 6 months. And then November 30 to March 31, December, January, Feb and March, only 4 months are left. Then January 1 to March 31, when he is withdrawing amount on January 1, so January will also be included. January, Feb and March, total time period will be 3 months. And his last withdrawal is on March 31. So March 31 to March 31, total time period will be 0. Now see how we will calculate his interest on drawing. So on 20,000 rupees at the rate of 9% for 11 months, we will calculate his interest on drawing, and that will come 1,650. After that, on 10,000 rupees, again rate is 9%, time period is 8 months, and this amount will be 600 rupees. Like this you will calculate. Then third withdrawal is 30,000. So on 30,000 rupees, rate is 9%, time period will be 6 months, and this amount will be 1,350 rupees. Okay. Now next withdrawal is 40,000 rupees. So on 40,000 rupees at the rate of 9% for 4 months, when you will calculate, this amount will come 1,200 rupees. And after that, on 20,000 rupees at the rate of 9% and for 3 months, this amount will come 450 rupees. And remember this thing, यहाँ पर time period 0 है, so interest will not be calculated on this amount. Like this, total amount of interest on drawing will be 5,250. See, if in your question, if it will be written like you have to calculate interest on drawing by simple method, so you will do calculation like this. Next method is product method, and formula for calculating interest on drawing with this method is total of product into rate upon 100 into 1 upon 12. आपने देखा फॉर्मूला थोड़ा सा चेंज हो गया, कैलकुलेशन भी थोड़ी सी चेंज हो जाएगी. क्या चेंज हो जाएगी मैं आपको दिखाता हूं. देखिए, May 1 20,000 रुपीज विड्रॉ किया था, जुलाई 31 को 10,000 एंड सो ऑन. और ये टाइम पीरियड हमने कैलकुलेट किया था सिंपल मेथड में भी, 11 मंथ, 8 मंथ, 6 मंथ, 4 मंथ, 3 मंथ. आपको याद होगा आई थिंक ये हमने कैसे कैलकुलेट किया था. एक बार 2-3 बता देता हूं आपको. सपोज May 1 को आपने अमाउंट विड्रॉ किया था, तो May 1 से लेकर के March 31 तक का टाइम पीरियड देखेंगे. तो May 1 से March 31 तक का जब हम टाइम पीरियड देखेंगे तो दैट विल कम 11 मंथ. एंड सेम वे हम जुलाई 31 को जो हमने सेकेंड अमाउंट विड्रॉ किया था, जुलाई 31 के बाद से हम मार्च 31 का टाइम पीरियड देखेंगे, तो हम अगस्त से कैलकुलेट करेंगे. अगस्त, सितंबर, अक्टूबर, नवंबर, दिसंबर, जनवरी, फेब एंड मार्च. लाइक दिस विल कम 8 मंथ. इस तरह से हमने टोटल टाइम पीरियड कैलकुलेट किया हुआ है. देखिए अब आप प्रोडक्ट कैसे कैलकुलेट करते हैं. अमाउंट विड्रॉ किया हमने 20,000, टाइम पीरियड इज 11, सो 20,000 विल बी मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 11 एंड इट विल कम 2,20,000. उसके बाद 10,000 will be multiplied by 8, that will come 80,000. Same way 30,000 will be multiplied by 6. Again it will come 1,80,000. 40,000 will be multiplied by 4, 160. And 20,000 will be multiplied by 3, so that will come 60,000. 25,000 multiplied by 0, so it will come 0. Now you see, we will calculate total of product, and total of product will come 7 lakh. Formula is total of product into rate upon 100 into 1/12. तो आप देखिए मैं इंटरेस्ट ऑन ड्रॉइंग्स यहां पर कैलकुलेट कर रहा हूं. टोटल ऑफ प्रोडक्ट इज 7 lakh, रेट इज 9% into 1/12. अगेन दिस अमाउंट विल कम 5,250, जैसा कि हमने सिंपल मेथड से कैलकुलेट किया था. तो अभी मैंने आपको इस वीडियो में दो मेथड बताए हैं, सिंपल मेथड एंड प्रोडक्ट मेथड. देयर आर मोर मेथड्स ऑफ कैलकुलेटिंग इंटरेस्ट ऑन ड्राइंग्स, जो मैं आपको अपनी नेक्स्ट वीडियो में बताऊंगा. थैंक यू वेरी मच.